How to change website email account password in Cpanel. So let's get started with the video. First, log into Cpanel with your Cpanel login username and password. In Cpanel settings page, you need to enter email account section. In this page, you will find all the email accounts created in your Cpanel. To change the password, click the Manage button that is associated with the website email account, for which you want to change the password. And in this page, under Security section, you can change the website email password. You can either generate a random strong password, or you can type in your own custom password. Once the password is entered, you will need to click here and update email settings. And done! The website email account password has been updated. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.